So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to withdraw your money from your MetaTrader 4 account, guys. Now this is super simple and easy, and guys, you done made your $10,000 in 15 minutes, so you ready to take your money out. So I'm gonna show you how to do this in this video, all right? In 5 minutes. I know you got attention span on that, so I'm trying to make this quick for you. All right, so all you gotta do is go down to MetaTrader 4. I've already got it pulled up, and I got the app open, okay? So right here, go to charts, you see the trade. I made $5 million, so I'm ready to withdraw that money, all right? That's a lot of money I just made, $5 million. I'm taking all my money out, all right? So anyways, you're gonna go over to your settings. You're gonna go over to your actual real account. That's my live account. I lied, that's $20 I made, guys. Anyways, $20. I can withdraw that $20 from this account to get started. So everything you're doing with withdrawals have nothing to do with the MetaTrader 4 app. It's all gonna be through your broker. So from here, what you want to do is you want to go over to Oanda. Don't mind me. You want to go over to Oanda.com. Okay, so once you get over to Oanda.com, this is the broker that I use when I'm trading forex. Go to Oanda, and you want to go up here at the top right corner, and you want to log in. Now, guys, this goes for all brokers. Okay, this isn't just Oanda. You can use any broker you want to use that you're going to be trading with. So in this case, we're going to use Oanda, but guys, I use Funded Pro. Oanda, I used to use Hugo's way back in the day until they got unregulated, all that stuff, till they got banned and all that, whatever. Long story short, we're gonna use Oanda today. So from here, all you wanna do is, they got it right here at the top of the screen, but you can also do it the long way. You can go to menu and you can click withdraw right there. Once you click withdraw, this is where the magic happens, guys. It's straightforward from here. So on this screen, it's gonna ask which account you want to withdraw from. We got $20 in our MetaTrader 4 account. That's where we want to take the money from, okay? So we're going to click continue there, and then it's going to select the method that we want to withdraw from. So in this case, we're going to use debit card, or you can do a wire transfer. Whichever one you decide to do is all the same process, and they all work basically the same. It's just some personal preference of how you want to withdraw your money, okay? Same thing. But in this case, we're going to use a debit card. My debit card is already on file, so it's a super simple process. Click debit card there, and now it's a 1 to 3 business day processing time. So now from here, you're gonna click continue, and my card is already on there. So I'm gonna just select card right there. That's my card right there, and then withdraw amount. I'm just gonna put the amount that I want to withdraw. So if it ever lets me click it, there we go. We're going to select $20, and that's the amount that I want to withdraw from this account. Go down, click continue, and confirm it's going to withdraw the money from the account. Now, I want to keep this money because I got a video planned pretty soon for that, so don't worry about that. But guys, that's all the steps you need to take to withdraw your money from your MetaTrader 4 account, guys. And this is super easy process. I've done it probably hundreds of times, okay? So super easy, and that's all you need to know to withdraw money from your MetaTrader 4 account. If you got any more questions for me, let me know in the comment section below, and I can make a video on it or just answer it for you real quick, all right? Hopefully this video helped you out. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button for more content. I'll see y'all next video. We out.